Gmail allows you to clear history on it, which makes sense to clear it from time to time. Want to learn how to clear search history on Gmail? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So to clear search history on it, first of all, open up the Gmail and get logged in with your Google account. Tap on the three straight horizontal lines on the top left corner. Scroll down, tap on Settings, tap on General Settings, tap on the three dotted straight lines on the top right corner, tap on Clear Search History. And now Gmail asks us if we're really sure about clearing search history on it, because all the searches that we have previously performed will be removed. Tap on Clear. As you do it, your search history on Gmail will be cleared successfully. You can tap on Search and Mail on the top and you'll find nothing. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.